Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 6, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 6, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, May 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 6, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 21.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 35.5 million pesos for Monday, May 6, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 6, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.